Imagine the aroma of a wood-fired pizza wafting through your backyard. The crust perfectly crisp, the cheese bubbling, and the toppings charred to perfection. All in just 90 seconds. This Grilife 12-inch outdoor pizza oven transforms this dream into reality, bringing restaurant-quality pizza to your patio, campsite, or backyard. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast craving Neapolitan-style pies or a casual cook looking to impress at your next gathering, this portable pizza oven delivers. In this review, we'll dive into why the Grilife 12-inch outdoor pizza oven is a game-changer for outdoor cooking, exploring its innovative features, real-world performance, and why it's a must-have. Let's fire it up. Solving your outdoor cooking woes. Outdoor cooking often comes with challenges. Uneven heat, long cooking times, and lackluster flavors. Traditional grills can't match the high temperatures needed for authentic pizza, leaving you with soggy crusts or unevenly cooked toppings. Campfires? Too unpredictable. The Grilife 12-inch outdoor pizza oven solves these problems with precision. Its 360 degrees rotating pizza stone ensures even baking, while its ability to hit 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes delivers pizzeria-quality results. Whether you're grilling steaks, searing seafood, or baking artisan bread, this oven's versatility and smoky flavor elevate every dish. Why the Grilife 12-inch outdoor pizza oven stands out. The Grilife pizza oven isn't just another backyard gadget. It's a culinary powerhouse designed for convenience, flavor, and portability. Here's a deep dive into its standout features and why they matter. Manual 360 degrees rotating pizza stone. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked pizzas. The manual rotation knob lets you spin the 12-inch pizza stone without opening the oven, ensuring a crispy, evenly baked crust every time. No electricity needed, making it perfect for off-grid adventures like camping or tailgating. Blazing fast cooking. Preheat in just 15 minutes to reach temperatures between 660 degrees Fahrenheit and 950 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook a mouth-watering pizza in 90 seconds or less, or grill steaks, ribs, chicken, burgers, seafood, or veggies with ease. This oven speed means more time enjoying your food and less time waiting. See-through heat-resistant glass door. Monitor your pizza's progress through the durable glass door without losing heat. The closable door traps heat for faster cooking, letting you perfect your timing for that golden crust and melty cheese. Precise temperature control. A built-in thermometer, closable chimney vent, and adjustable oven door give you full control over heat levels. Whether you want a smoky char or a gentle bake, this oven adapts to your cooking style. Multi-fuel versatility. Choose from wood pellets, charcoal, or wood to infuse your dishes with authentic smoky flavor. Unlike gas or electric ovens, the Grilife's fuel options add a rustic, natural taste that elevates pizzas, meats, and vegetables. Portable and easy to assemble. Weighing just 13 pounds with foldable legs, a removable chimney, and a rear handle, this oven is built for mobility. Take it to the backyard, patio, or campsite without hassle. Setup is a breeze so you can focus on cooking, not assembling. Benefits that make a difference. Restaurant-quality results. Achieve crispy, wood-fired pizzas with authentic flavor in under 2 minutes, plus grill meats and veggies like a pro. Portable and versatile. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for camping, picnics, or backyard barbecues, with fuel options to suit any setting. User-friendly design. The rotating stone, glass door, and precise temperature controls make cooking intuitive for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Who's this pizza oven for? The Grilife 12-inch outdoor pizza oven is perfect for pizza lovers, home cooks who crave authentic, wood-fired pizza with minimal effort, outdoor enthusiasts, campers, tailgaters, or patio party hosts who want portable, high-performance cooking, families and small groups, ideal for serving 1 to 4 people with 12-inch pizzas or grilled dishes. Flavor chasers, those who love the smoky, rustic taste of wood or charcoal-fired cooking. Why choose Grilife over competitors? Compared to pricier models like the Uni Coda 12 or Gosney Rockbox, the Grilife offers similar high heat performance at a more budget-friendly price. Its manual rotating stone is a unique feature not found in many competitors, reducing the need for constant pizza turning with a peel. While larger ovens like the Unicoda 16 can handle bigger pies, the Grilife's portability and multi-fuel options make it a standout for campers and small space dwellers. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the easy clean design saves time. Tips for getting the most out of your Grilife pizza oven. Preheat properly. Let the oven hit at least 660 degrees Fahrenheit before cooking for the best crust texture. Experiment with fuels. Try wood pellets for a smoky flavor or charcoal for a deeper char. Use a pizza peel. A 12-inch peel makes loading and removing pizzas easier. Clean regularly. Brush the pizza stone after each use to prevent buildup and maintain performance. The verdict: a must-have for pizza lovers. The Grilife 12-inch outdoor pizza oven is a versatile, portable, and high-performing addition to any outdoor kitchen. Its ability to cook pizzas in 90 seconds, combined with its multi-fuel options and user-friendly features, makes it a top choice. Whether you're hosting a backyard pizza party, camping under the stars, or grilling for a weeknight dinner, this oven delivers exceptional results with minimal fuss. Don't settle for soggy oven pizzas or lackluster grills. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with Grilife. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.